Hi, this is Michaela Stroud, 4-H Program Assistant with the Southwind Extension District, here with another episode of the Clover Bakery to help celebrate National Bake for Family Fun Month in the month of February. So on the 20th is actually National Love Your Pet Day. So to help highlight that, this week's episode is going to be focused on loving your pet, and today we are actually going to be making some homemade dog treats. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this recipe, it is 4 ingredients and it is very simple. You have 2 eggs, a half a cup of peanut butter. Today I'm using creamy. Have 2 cups of flour, and I'm using almond flour. And then you need 1/4 cup of water. First, you need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, you just need to add all your ingredients together. So there's the eggs, here's my flour, and I will add the peanut butter. So I have my first 3 ingredients in my mixing bowl, and when you add the water, just add it about 1 tablespoon at a time and then mix. And you will keep stirring your ingredients until it just makes a consistent texture. Okay, this is the consistency of your mixture, that everything is stirred together. And I wanted to highlight that I am actually using almond flour today. All-purpose flour doesn't have a lot of nutrients that dogs need in their daily ration. So it is recommended to use whole wheat flour or almond flour, just so it has more protein and also other essential nutrients. Next, on my baking sheet, I'm just going to lightly spray it down. And then we're going to begin forming some balls with our dough mixture, and then I will show you that process next. Okay, I'm just taking a regular kitchen spoon and just taking a scoopful like this and transferring it over to my baking sheet. If you would like your treats to have a little bit cleaner appearance, you can definitely do this trick and roll it out with your hands. But just for today, I'm just going to scoop it out onto my baking sheet like this. Okay, as you can see on my baking sheet, I just took a fork and smashed down the center of each of the treats so that it's a little bit flatter and it will bake a little bit more even. I do want to express that this recipe is made for dog consumption instead of human consumption, as these are homemade dog treats. Now I'm just going to put my baking tray into the oven at 350 degrees and bake them for a total of 15 minutes. Okay, this is what the treats look like after they've baked at a 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. I'm just going to take them and place them onto a cooling rack with the others and allow them to completely cool. And then I will put them in an airtight storage container, Tupperware, plastic baggie, and they will stay good for several days, and they'll stay a little bit longer if you store them in the refrigerator. This recipe makes between 24 and 36 dog treats depending on the size that you put them onto the sheet with. But just a reminder, this recipe is intended for dog consumption only, not human consumption. But be sure to show your love some pet on the 20th, as that is the national day to celebrate. So we will see you next time on the Clover Bakery. Bye.